Welcome to Learning English with Music. My name is Panda J and I'm your teacher today. Let's practice the verb to be with the song Nice to Meet You version 2.
One, two, three, four. What's your name? I am Jay. Where you from? I'm from the UK. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hey, hey, my dear, I am happy you are here. I am Jay, you are Liam. He's Raj, she's Sofia. Nice to meet you all. What's your name? Where are you from? 5, 6, 7, 8. What's your name? I am Liam. Where are you from? I'm from Wales. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hey, hey, my dear, I am happy you are here. I am Jay, you are Liam. He's Raj, she's Sofia. Nice to meet you all. What's your name? Where are you from? 9, 10, 11, 12. What's her name? She's Sofia. Where's she from? She's from Spain. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hey, hey, my dear, I am happy you are here. I am Jay, you are Liam. He's Raj, she's Sofia. Nice to meet you all. What's your name? Where are you from? 13, 14, 15, 16. What's his name? He is Raj. Where's he from? He's from India. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hey, hey, my dear, I am happy you are here. I am Jay, you are Liam. He's Raj, she's Sofia. Nice to meet you all. What's your name? Where are you from?
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.